Okay, class 12. Now today we will continue exercise 7.4 integral calculus indefinite integrals. Chapter number 7. So till question number 4 we already have done. Now today we will start from question number 5. In question number 5 the question is exercise 7.4. Question number 5. 3x by 1 plus 2x to the power 4. Now this is the question. Now first we have to make it into particular form or standard form. So first we will write in solution. So integration of 3x by 1 plus 2x to the power 4 dx. This equals to integration of 3x divided by 1 plus, now 2 is the square of root 2. It is x to the power 4, so it is x square whole square dx. Now take this as substituent. Root 2 x square is a substituent. Let root under 2x square equals to t. Now differentiate it. It is root 2. Now differentiation of x square is 2x. Now again we have to differentiate x. It is dx by dt. Now differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So it is 2 root under 2x dx equals to dt. Then x dx equals to dt by 2 root under 2. Therefore, integration of 3x by 1 plus root 2 x square whole square dx equals to, so x dx is dt by 2 root 2. So integration, there is 3 divided by 1 plus root 2 x square is t. Root 2 x square is t. So we'll write here t. Because of square there is a square into dt by 2 root under 2. Now we can take 3 and 2 root 2 outside. 3 by 2 root under 2. Integration of 1 by 1 plus 1 is 1 square plus t square dt. So this equals to 3 by 2 root under 2. Now what is the differentiation integration of 1 by a square plus x square? It is 1 by a tan inverse x by a. 1 by a is 1. Tan inverse x is t by a is 1 plus c. This equals to 3 by 2 root under 2 tan inverse. What is t? T is root under 2x square. Root under 2x square plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 5. Now move to question number 6. Okay, question number 6 is x square by 1 minus x to the power 6. So in solution, first we will write in integrated form. It is x square by 1 minus x to the power 6 dx. So it is integration of x square by 1 minus x cube. X to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole square dx. Now x cube is substituent. Now let x cube equals to t. Now what is the differentiation of x cube? It is 3x square dx equals to dt. After multiplying, dx by dt equals to 1. Differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So 3x square dx equals to dt. X square dx equals to dt by 3. Now we can write integration of x square by 1 minus x to the power 6 dx will be integration. Now x square dx is dt by 3. 1 by 1 minus t square, because x cube is t, so outside there is a square, so t square. This equals to integration of, we can take 1 by 3 outside, 1 by 1 square minus t square dt. This equals to, now integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx is 1 by 2a log a plus x divided by a minus x. So 1 by 3 is here. After that, into 1 by 2 into a is 1. A is 1 log 1 plus t divided by 1 minus t plus c. So this equals to 1 by 3 into 2 is 6 log 1 plus, what is t? It is x cube divided by 1 minus x cube. T is x cube plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 6. Next, question number 7. Okay, question number 7 is x minus 1 by root under x square minus 1. So it is very important for board exam. This question is very important. So in solution, we will write first integration of x minus 1 divided by root under x square minus 1 dx. Integration, now we can separate it, x by root under x by root under x square minus 1 dx minus integration of 1 by root under x square minus 1 dx. So here there are two cases, one is particular and another is substitution. So this is substitution. If you differentiate this, you will get x dx is dt by 2. Now this is I1 minus this is I2. Now I1 equals to integration of x by root under x square minus 1 dx. Let x square minus 1 is t. Now what is the differentiation of x square is 2x, 1 is 0. Now again we have to differentiate x, it is dx by dt. So differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. So 2x dx equals to dt, x dx equals to dt by 2. Therefore I1 equals to integration of x dx is dt by 2, 1 by root under t. I1 equals to integration of, now root t is t to the power half. So if you reciprocate it, t to the power minus half dt half take outside 1 by 2. So this equals to 1 by 2 integration of t to the power minus half is t to the power half by half plus c1. So we can cut this half half. So this equals to root under t plus c1. So t is root under x square minus 1 plus c1. Now take I2 and I2 equals to integration of 1 by root under x square minus 1 dx. So I2 equals to integration of 1 by root under x square minus it is 1 square dx. So I2 equals to integration of x square minus a square is log x plus root under x square minus a square. So it is log x plus root under x square minus 1 square plus c2. So I2 equals to log x plus root under x square minus 1 plus c2. Therefore, integration of x minus 1 divided by root under x square minus 1 dx equals to what is I1? I1 is root under x minus 1 plus c1. So it is root under x square minus 1 plus c1. Next is I2. I2 is this minus log x plus root under x square minus 1 plus c2. We know that c1 plus c2 equals to c. So this equals to integration of x square minus 1 minus log x plus root under x square minus 1 plus c, because c1 plus c2 equals to c. Since c1 plus c2 equals to c, integration constant. So this is question number 7. Now question number 8. Okay, question number 8 is x square by root under x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6. First, we will write in integration x square by root under x to the power 6 plus x a to the power 6 dx. Now x square, it is x square by root under x cube, x to the power 6 can be written as x cube whole square. Similarly, a cube, a to the power 6 can be written as a cube whole square. Now it is dx. Now take x cube as substituent. Let x cube equals to t, because the x cube, differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So x square is there. Now differentiation of x cube is 3x square dx by dt. X cube is 3x square. Now again we have to differentiate x with respect to t. Equals to right hand side, differentiation of t with respect to t is 1. 3x square dx equals to dt after multiplying with 1. So x square dx equals to dt by 3. Therefore, integration of x square by root over x to the power 6 plus a to the power 6 dx equals to integration of, now x square dx is dt by 3. We will write here dt by 3. 1 by root over, what is x cube? X cube is t. So because of square there is a square. It is square plus a cube whole square. Now this equals to, we can take 1 by 3 outside. Integration of 1 by root under t square plus a cube whole square dt. So this equals to 1 by 3. What is the integration of 1 by x square? 1 by root under x square plus a square. 1 by root under x square plus a square is log x is t plus root under x square is t square plus a cube whole square plus c. So this equals to 1 by 3 log t is x cube plus root under t square is x cube whole square, it is x to the power 6 again, plus this is a to the power 6 plus c. Now this is the answer of question number 8. Okay, this much for today. Thank you.